check in like we make in. Blessed Sunday afternoon to you all. And I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas. Yeah man, we're there man. Life in living colors. A happy new year when it comes to peeps. You know we're there man, we are line up to move out now. So see you when we reach on the scene. We're there. Blessed afternoon. We left that to 20 years. You get home this one.
Less fortunate.
Yeah. I tell somebody this, so I remember this stuff that we had traveling already. The fun place this one over there. Yeah, peeps. Step on the way. That time kind of late. Man, I don't breakfast this morning, so I go a munch for one because of fish tail. And a piece of tantan bread, good old tantan. See that? Tantan bread. Step on the way, man. I go for our journey, we're so rich. So stick and stay to the reach for the journey. Fully active. Why Andrew sleep late? See me drive and sleep late. Wait for him.
Yeah, they're big.
Wanted, no man, I can't move on.
Wanted. They're fire, you know.
Down in the place I put everything.
Say they here for here, boy, Rasta, brother Gabriel. No cubs. You know call me.
So yeah, peeps, we reached by this spot. We unload the vehicle. I take all this stuff from out of the vehicle.
Music I play there.
We go in the bush and we go sort out. Well, you know, 1:30, I don't know.
Night pot.
Night pot, at dinner we are cooked in the lodge. We are cooked dinner today, Sunday dinner. Seapuss and conker and gungo rice and peas. Yeah.
Nothing going on the fire.
Nothing going on the fire yet. And now what time now? To 2 you know. We are going to do it man, we are doing it same way. That's what I think so. Better we late now or never. Don't it? I want to stick and stay over there. Yes, peeps, so there man.
And you can't fix the car trunk out.
You want oil? Hey boy, you can't take out my oil out your back and show body.
Oil in my belly.
Alright, so we there. We use your spot.
Oh, are they bush up?
No man, look at all people there walk over there.
Cold, like a cow.
I make way to use your spot, you know. We don't want great sunlight today.
Every day is a great day.
Every day, but I want a greater.
What? Seafood.
Gungo rice and peas. It'd be a greater.
Problem, you go cause on a yard.
What is a greater? A greater pot. Yeah man, what there man?
Cow like a champion.
Yeah. Man, them pack back here. Man, them pack back here, brother.
Oh.
Yeah, them pack back here down. Come on, them pack back.
Crystal clear.
Yeah.
Got that guys. Yeah guys, as we reach, no time to waste, cause time done and run out already. Get some coconut water. This is all the water this is reach out, dog.
So there is it.
500 off for this coconut here.
That's what they put that jelly and oil policy. It's like oil up the heart.
Yeah. One thing I don't like when I come as a come shoot video, brother. Too much ants, bro.
That's not chewy on there. The ants have a job, you know.
Feel like the water reach me heart. Yeah, man, welcome back, guys, to Caribbean Vibes Adventure. We're out today again. As you guys can see, there is some brown stew kong today. The octopus. Rice and peas.
Good old gungo.
I know say coconut dry, you see that?
Easy to come out and shit.
Yeah, man.
Bone jar.
I advise use a smaller knife.
Yeah.
And wrap the coconut in one towel. That's if the knife slip, and you get the cut.
Okay, time we're going to go piece for fire. So I check if you see if the fire alright. Yeah man, everything alright.
Check if you see the fire on.
You see the fire alright. And the pot set right? Yeah. Everything alright. So that is the gungo piece upon the fire. You add in a piece of ginger. And 3 cloves of garlic. We're going to add in some pimento seed. And we're going to let that to boil now. And the boil will sink the peas. And I'll take fork and sink it, we'll take water and sink it. And most of the video then we'll show you how to clean up the conch, but we just get them clean up and get on the way, because you know time against us. Right to the riverside with it. Brown stew conch, hungry rice and peas with some tossed veg. So there man, live.
So I'm to octopus in the night.
I will say octopus.
Yeah, no octopus.
And some people know it as seapus. We call it octopus, we call it seapus.
See the guys.
First time when you hear about octopus, you say octopus is a wicked one. The one with 8 sprang, octopus is a wicked one. So that one they will kill you. You normally know seapus, and seapus is a good one. But I see him take them. Good day, man.
Yeah, so I'm going to use some salt for the octopus and conch. I know many persons really like to clean the octopus and the conch because they say it's too slimy, but this is the way how you break down the slime by massaging the octopus and the conch in the salt. So you have less slime to deal with. Yes, so see octopus there. See octopus here, yeah. Very nice there.
Yeah. Come on, let's see how much we
See octopus. Say octopus here. We cut out the octopus here, guys. I can't eat. Yeah. Dispose of it. So that is how we clean up the octopus. And this is how we get to break down the slime. You have less slime, you see? You have less slime to deal with. There, I will add in the coconut milk. Yeah, we are going to allow the peas to be cooked.
The peas, you get the conch and beat up. And when you beat conch, you beat in a plastic bag. So you get a better beating. When you beat them in a plastic bag, you get a better beating. You know, conch they intend to fly when I beat them. So when I beat them in a bag, everything just stay back in a bag. Brown stew conch, octopus, bungo rice and peas and tossed veg. To the sun there. Yeah. So we just up on the riverside and get the thing done. As always, every Sunday we out. The seafood beat now. You know, so in order to get the seafood tender, we have to beat it, sprung them. We have to get them beaten. So if you cook it same way, you get a tender, you get a harder meat. So we want it tender and we want it soft. So you go beat the sprung them. You get it beat. And in order for you know, like when you beat the sprung them pop up, you put it in a plastic bag. Put it in a plastic bag and you get a better beat out of it. Start beating. You get a better beat out of it when you beat it in a plastic bag.
So we're beating the seafood just to get it tenderized.
Yeah. So you get the conch them cut up. And then you get on the water on the fire. It's called the fire catch. You go boil the conch them. And after them boil, you get them seasoned. Again. So the smaller they be, they cook more faster. Yeah. Every day I pay from the riverside. One stew conch, octopus, and rice and peas. I'm going to season rice and peas and I'm adding one onion. And green pepper, piece of fresh thyme, some chopped scallion, garlic, and piece of bell pepper. I'm adding one stick of butter, half stick of butter. 2 teaspoons of salt. I'm going to season to taste. So yeah, we're going to taste the butter now.
And this is for the octopus and conch.
Come on, you have a goes.
Have a goes.
Yeah. You have to make it boil up along. Make season boil in a way, coat that milk with the peas. If you boil up now, wash your rice and put it. Put a piece of skin in.
Yeah, we are seasoning up the water for the
Yes, we're going to add some oil in the conch water and the seafood. We add some thyme, some scallion, and hot pepper, some garlic and some ginger. So here peeps, we're going to add in the conch and seafood. And Stephen has said octopus.
I want there.
I favor. I choke me already. I want to start eating it. Oh my world. So you go, come up here now and leave, make it boil.
When it comes never cook yet.
You still can't eat same because you know what it is.
Come soften it out.
Once hot water touch you, ready? Get it. Let's put a boil up now so you get it rice. Gungo rice and peas. Oh my word. This time I season the gungo. Oh. Stir up the rice. Come on, I eat that.
Yeah, I go season up the octopus with the conch and add that tablespoon of garlic powder, fish season, tablespoon all-purpose season, same tablespoon as well, guys. I go add some soya sauce. Caution with the soya sauce, because soya sauce, you know soya sauce contains salt. So I'm going to add some Eve browning, best browning. Just enough to give the octopus a darker color. Yeah, and we have a Caribbean vibe blended marination. So I got toss it.
Where is the octopus for you?
In a ways, man, a grung me come from, you know that.
You come from Grung? You go on back a Grung?
Then I let me go back and see that.
You come from my mother and father?
Octopus then, huh? Yeah. Yeah, me, I burn some garlic and ginger. Fresh garlic and ginger. And what this is going to help add flavor to the conch octopus. Add in octopus and conch.
You can smell the aroma. Oh my God.
I'm going to cover it with the sweat and produce liquid.
You see gungo rice and pizza, yeah?
We are adding the coconut milk.
It's a flour powder now,
Afternoon sun this year. We are allow the octopus and the conch to cook.
So your peels, what do you do with the vegetable now? So I can see, you get the cucumber slice up and a little piece of bell pepper. So you get the cabbage salt out. And then you say tossed veg with gungo rice and peas and sea puss and conch. Good day, man, for the riverside. Wonderful. Yo. We didn't go nice today. I know we're going to add a little beetroot in a vegetable to get a colorful, pretty color. Yeah. Somebody up here like it now. Somebody up here like it now.
But you must see that.
Hello. I got another little sugar on the vegetable. A little vinegar. So we'll beat a stir. Watch color, bro. Yeah, man, that is it, man. Toss veg. Then you pick yourself add in the carrot. You know, carrot is all the vegetable for cook, so we will add in the carrot. You got stir. Look at the gold, the cup. Let that cook, you know, and then we add in the rest of the seasoning.
Add half stick of butter in the conch. Then I got Irish potato, bell pepper, tomato, onion, thyme, scallion. So I re-season it with some fresh season and some pepper. We are building flavor. by adding in all of these fresh season. I add just a little pinch of fish season, a little pinch of all-purpose. Leave it for cook now. Yes boy. Food ready. So the flavour what me I look for, you know. Yes again. Cover you out of that pot man. Come out of that pot. We are lucky out of that pot man.
Watch your peeps. Okra for days. Oh my word. The best part of it now we put in the damage. To come down to eating time now. So we put in the damage last. We eat about 2 or 3 minutes. And then we're ready to eat. Come on. Conk and octopus. Put down the coconut milk with okra, gungo rice and peas. Oh my god. Yeah man, watch it. Look at the people. Yes man, I eat this man. Yeah peeps, come to the best part now, you know, sharing part. Oh my world. Can't wait to get into this wonderful dinner here. Yes peeps. Today man, on the riverside. With dinner time now we are share out with gungo rice and peas. And we seafood and conch with tossed veg. So see the peeps, full of okra. Okra green in our pot. I'll take you off now. Ready?
Oh, for your plate, Rob, sir. You obviously you're greedy. Oh, for your plate, Rob, sir.
I see my mouth, mate. What about? I see my boy stay away. I see my mouth, my youth. I see my mouth, youth. You stay too bad, you.
You're too greedy, man.
Do my food there? Yeah, look at me tell my food there, brother. Wow. Do my food there? Yo, me have to sing for the riverside. Right for the riverside, there is love. My food warm. Make the river cool it down.
You're just too cream, brother.
My food I can't play with me. What's my food with man? Not to mention the taste. Peeps, they always say when you cook with love. When you cook with love, oh my word, nothing can conquer love. Love, oh my word, I bet. People, you see, people, when food nice, oh my word, we're not play with it. Octopus and conch, gungo rice and peas, tossed veg. Oh my word. You're so good to eat, man. You're so good to eat, yo.
Guys, the same wicked boy. All he think about of himself, you know. Him just what I do is him eat it. Him not busy about nothing more than that. As long as him eat it, him not busy about me. You see, watch him. Watch him.
And it heaven, big up your damn self. And it heaven, you're sure to your plate and it. Make sure your plate and care come. Cause right side of me you live. And it heaven, when we loyal subscriber. Bless up yourself and it heaven.
Guys, the wicked boy just make me get a chance to eat some food. Coconut milk turn up in our rice and peas.
Oh my word.
Rando, big up yourself, brother. Food nice, my boy.
Watch your peeps. I'm not getting no food yet. I'm not getting no food yet. I taste the pot.
I don't get no more, you.
Oh my word.
Man. Race me a race like now. Walk in your pot.
You know he can't beat me.
No, I agree with you. You know that. Rice and peas, shelly.
Yes, man. Good active, man.
Coconut milk, turn up in night, my boy. Yeah. Vegetable, nice, can taste it. Vinegar. It is the white brown sugar, can taste it as well.
Yeah.
Tastes good, man. Yeah, man.
The peeps don't need to like how we video them, man. Like how we video and share how we video them, man. Where am I go?
Nice ones.
You want some juice for the rice?
Here's a ginger. Man.
Stand up in it.
Like you put on your foot in this one and this week, boy.
Oh man.
So your foot me ahead. Man. Man. Good job, bro.
Really active, man. The peeps are there, man.
And the octopus not overcooked.
Yeah.
Just soft and tender. Juicy.
And then get the right color, man.
Yeah.
And then the evening just cool and nice, you know. Over there. I eat with dinner. And the evening. Stream around. Very smooth. Yeah, man, we just like a video of them and share a video of them, man. Just peeps. How are you doing?
Go back in the pot, brother.
Where's a good food must not, what?
Waste.
Oh, These food there, man. If you don't want food, man, just comment, man, so I don't want food, man. Food there, man. You know, when I cook for 2 hours alone here. And we 2 hours alone in the bush, we cook. If somebody pass through, I want to eat. A good Caribbean vibes adventure cooking. Yeah, man, we're there, man.
Gotcha. Wrong pot cover, but that's what you said.
Yeah, it's still covered on.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the bottom second one.
Yeah, man. God be the glory. The people and me, I say, we are close off 2024. You know, I will give God thanks for all our support that we get, all our love from all the guys. So we say we are keep on putting in the work for 2025, man.
Yeah.
Whole heap of great things in store for you, man.
Yes,
You know, stay focused, guys, stay positive. You know, keep on the eyes on the prize. Come on, Caribbean Vibes Adventure.
Really. Yeah, peeps. See view a river. I got left out now. Belly full of everything. Over there. The fire side of the place. I'm gonna left the place. I'm gonna left the place dirty now when we leave to clean up. Listen now, uncle.
Yeah, man, as they say, every good thing have to come to an end. God be the glory. First thing, we can't do this without Father God, as you know me.
Yeah.
Real man of God, real God-fearing person, you know.
Yeah.
And everything what we do, we put God first. You know, so we are say, thanks be to God, you know, we complete another cooking vlog. I say, thanks Father God, you spare our life throughout 2024. You know, we have a couple more days left to go into 2025.
Yeah.
So I just want God to keep on guide and protect us same way. And all the best to Caribbean Vibes family. Yeah man, we soon in 2025. Now we are trying to complete one next video before the new year come in. But if we don't complete it, So we see you in the new year, man. Peace out, guys. One love. Heart of love, my people.
I don't know where you drift, you know. I don't know where you drift, man. Like, share, and comments. I will say peace, one love, one family. Let's continue to like, share, and comments to Caribbean Vibes Adventure. Happy New Year when it comes, peeps. Blessed love.